Good morning. Saturday 16th of May. First day out of lockdown at the weekend.
Yay!
For the first lockdown. Suspect we may go back into some more. We're in Cambridge and Essex. Well, obviously not in both.
We're going to cross over the border. Ooh.
So Essex County top first, and then Cambridgeshire County top.
Other way round.
Oh, right.
Cambridgeshire first and then Essex.
So she'll
We're actually at a cricket club.
we've just made it out of the village, and it's kind of very typical English countryside. Supposed to be up Helvellyn today, but as we're not allowed to stay anywhere overnight, although the Lake District is a hell of a long way to go to there and back in one day, and it's responsible not going to the Lake District as well. So we thought we'd stay reasonably local. We did plan on leaving the more local stuff till later on. So let Cheryl bring her camera. We've got to be home for 6 o'clock, which might be a struggle. It's 12 o'clock now. I think this walk's about 6 miles. Add the camera to it, and that makes it probably a 12-hour walk.
If necessary, we will drive to it.
What did we do, darling?
What did you do? You've got the map, you navigated us. You missed the historic county top of Cambridgeshire, which was near the rugby club. It's all Matt's fault.
Cricket club.
Cricket club, wow, rugby club, whatever.
Doesn't say on the map it is. I was driving here.
You missed it, not me.
I think we both missed it, to be fair.
No. I think I told you where it was. It was by the reservoir.
We didn't see a reservoir.
No, we didn't. It was just off a short track by the cricket club. I'll have to do it on the way back. Meanwhile, onwards and upwards to Essex. I think you should give me the map so I can navigate where we're going.
Onwards and downwards.
No, we go up before we go down.
We're going down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but we've just climbed up and then we're climbing down. Then we're going up. Oh, forgot how annoying that was.
Again, problem's my fault.
Okay, duck.
Quack.
Oh, knuckle.
We've come from down there, walked up, down through there, over here, in Essex. Haven't seen a single Sharon or Tracy. What have you seen?
I'm trying to see if I can see that deer, because it ran into here. Or maybe it was a bit further up it ran.
Be long gone, I would have thought. We have no idea what they are, but they look quite pretty. So tell us what you've just seen.
Loads and loads of deer, and if I zoom in, you can just about see them in the shadows.
Love it.
Wow, that was amazing, because there was just so many of them. They're here as well, and you can actually see the brown of them, but they're a bit more hidden. There's one, look at it, looking straight at us. Here?
Yeah.
Is this it?
This is it. Chisell Common, historic county top of Essex. No Sharon, no Tracy. But we did see some deer. Where's this building, darling?
Which is it called?
It's got a moat as well, according to the map. Just coming down to Chisell and we've got a pool with some ducks on the pool, not on the car.
You're a good dog, aren't you? You're a good dog. You're a sweetie.
All the sensible precautions.
COVID-19 prevention.
Thank you. Stolen from the petrol station, where we didn't buy petrol.
No, but we did pay £1 to put air in the tyres. So I got £1's worth of gloves. Oh, we should have kept the bloody glove on, shouldn't I? Do you reckon there'll be another in a tree? Do you reckon there'll be another fence? There we go. Oh, pheasant.
There's a stile.
Let's do the stile instead. Oh. There's lots of nettles around the stile. Done it though, without touching anything. Don't fall.
That's just my arms. Not my hands, but my arms. I'm going to fall.
Well, why don't I take the camera and take a picture of you falling off? Oh, it's not on. It is. All right, okay, go. Oh, successfully navigated. Right, gloves going back on.
Well, hang on, because you never know.
Yeah.
It's not into that garden, is it? There's a style.
I'll take the glove off then. Use it. That is how you're meant to go over a stile without touching anything. Oh, you managed it this time. Well done, Mr. Robinson.
No money in Essex.
Pretty.
Lovely house. Lovely house. Hollyhock Cottage.
Really pretty. Needs a moss tree, that's really sad. Oh, look at that one. Quite.
Garage there, bigger than our house.
Not quite, darling.
So that's where we've been, up there, and then down around here. We went that way earlier, round, and that's Essex Historic County Top up there somewhere. We're back at Cambridge Historic Top for the second time shortly, only this time we're going to stop.
And here we have the historic county top of Cambridgeshire. Highly exciting, as you can see. I think there might be a reservoir behind that fence. Stunning views though.
We walked straight past earlier. We walked up there. Forgot completely about coming up here. So
How does it feel? 2 countertops in a day.
again,
I know.
yeah, there we go. That's man-made.
Yeah, that's man-made. This is natural, so this is the historic countertop. Mwah.
Here we are, almost back at the car. Nice day out in Cambridgeshire. Lovely to be out of the house, more importantly. And feels odd to wear socks, doesn't it, darling?
And shoes.
So hopefully the unlockdown will continue and we'll be able to get out some more.